Hello there guys and gals, good evening to each every one of you. As you can see, I have here a carbonara. Love the portioning. And I have here a garlic bread, butter bread. And let's put some pepper. As you can see guys, on the top, there's a chili flakes and some salt, okay? So come on guys and girls, be the first one to taste, be the first one to bite. Open your mouth. Come on, don't be shy. Okay. Come on. Love it? Love it. How about the ham? And how about the bread?